In this video, you'll learn how to edit a coupon on Blixo in just a few simple steps. The only way to edit a coupon is by editing directly in the coupon section. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Coupons field to access the coupons list. Click on the Edit button of any coupon to initiate the editing process. After clicking, you will be navigated to the Coupon Details page, where you can edit any available fields that you wish to change. Code types and discount types are the two fields for which you cannot change the information. For this demonstration, I will edit the name of a coupon as an example. Click the Update Coupon button to complete the editing process. Let's check it out. Success! The coupon has been edited. Voila! You have successfully edited a coupon in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.